In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice template using Zoho Invoice. Customizing your invoice can help make your business stand out and ensure that your documents have the professional appearance you desire. So let's dive right in to see how you can personalize your invoices step by step. First, you'll want to log into Zoho Invoice and be on your dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Settings section. The Settings area will be your main workspace where you'll find various options related to your billing and documents. Once inside Settings, you're going to look for the option that says PDF Templates. This section is crucial because it contains all the customizable elements for your invoice templates. Here you'll find the existing templates ready for you to edit or start fresh with a new design. After selecting PDF Templates, you'll see the option to edit an existing template. Clicking on Edit opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your document. By editing a template, you not only change how it looks, but can also add your brand's specific details to make it consistent with your identity. Next, focus on naming your template. This step is more important than it might seem because a clear and distinct name will help you quickly identify the template for future use. Enter a name that reflects the purpose or style of the invoice you are creating, making it immediately recognizable. Following the naming, you'll find an option labeled Header and Footer. This is where you can add or adjust elements like your company logo, contact information, and footer notes. A well-designed header and footer help in framing your invoice, giving it a polished look. Then, check out the Transaction Details area. Here, you have control over how the transaction information appears on your invoice. You can decide what elements need emphasis or rearrange details to better serve your client's understanding and ensure compliance with industry standards. Next, let's click on Table. This section covers how your line items, such as products or services, are displayed. Customizing the table means you can enhance visibility that aligns with your branding, make it simpler for clients to see what they're being charged for, and include any additional columns you find necessary. When you're ready, proceed to the Total section of the template. This is where you edit how the financial summary will be presented. A well-organized total section helps clarify the amounts due, taxes applied, and any discounts offered, providing transparency to your clients. Lastly, don't forget the Other Details section. Here you can add any miscellaneous information or additional notes that might be essential for the transaction or provide further insight into your invoicing process. Once all customization is done, hit Save. This action will ensure that all your hard work is stored and your newly customized invoice template is ready to use. Now you're all set with a professional, unique, and personalized invoice template that reflects the character of your business. Thank you for following along, and happy invoicing!